And in this here, this is the common area for the condo. We have the dining room seating for 6 people, up to 6. And this one here is a living room with a smart TV as well. You can use the YouTube, and also you can play the music or videos as well, or can watch TV in live. Apart from that, in the outside there's a hidden, it's a swimming pool, so that I can show you later on. So let's move on to that workstation here. On to your left, that workstation here you can study or work on my projects. In there as well, we have dedicated workstation along with the high-speed Wi-Fi as well. And this one here is like the electric curtain. You can move up or down at any time as well. If you want to move up, just hit the up button, and then the curtain will go up automatically, and it will stop automatically once it's reached the top. Here, you can see the TV from the office. Now onto the kitchen. This one here is like there are like 2 kitchens here. There's a this is like the pantry, so that I can cook in these 2 stoves, one from the inside and one from the outside. In the outside kitchen, we have a sink in it as well, so you can watch. This is a hidden refrigerator. Let's open this up. Pretty cool. That's a hidden refrigerator. And that one here bottom is a wine cellar, so that you can store anything that is not cold so much. Then there are 2 microwaves. There's one on the top, on the outside, and another one on the inside. And this one here is like the main kitchen, so that we can grill or I can cook whenever you want. And this one here is like the main fridge, the big one. That's the main fridge. That the water bottles you can store store anything that we can cook. There's a dedicated freezer and refrigerator. Outside here will lead directly to the service elevator. This will go down all the way to the bottom. Or I can use the stairs if there's an emergency. So go ahead here. This is the laundry area before the secondary bedroom. This one here is a secondary bedroom as well, with the dedicated bathroom to the right. That's a dedicated bathroom. There. Dedicated bathroom is right here. Pretty cool. So it's a pretty perfect bedroom. In here is like the dishwasher. So I usually run the dishwasher when it's almost time for bed. So this is my recommended time to run my dishwasher. There's nothing there. It's here on your left. Here's the microwave and the oven as well. There are 2 microwaves, one outside and one inside. So walk to like the main 2 bedrooms. Move onto the master bedroom to the left here. In this one here is the master bedroom. This is where we usually sleep here. There's a dressing table with the lighted mirror. See this? You can see the view from the room. Here. Now to the main bathrooms. Here, there's a jacuzzi bathtub with a shower, and there's 2 sinks. Yeah. 2 sinks, and then there's a bathtub They also have some rain shower as well.
Sorry.
Now onto the second bedroom. There's some drawers. Some drawers here. We can put the clothes. There's some main drawer. There's some wardrobes. Now onto the second bedroom. This is my second bedroom is. You can also see the different views as well. The bed is in Prince roof. This is what I sleep for like 2 years ago. We have a dedicated bathroom to your right. And with the showers the same, and also the sink onto your right side as well. And these are the room tours here. Later on, I will show you the outside of the swimming pool. Turn on, you get to see from behind the white door as well. And then as you can see the pool, you can see the different kind of view from outside. It's sunny there. And anyway, that's how that I can put the room for. It's very nice apartment condominium. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Again, it's a swimming pool. Here, it's pretty outside view. Here. You can see it's a very clear view and it's clear sun as well. Also the fitness center. Here. Over here. There's a fitness center also.